Howard, Baltimore, and Harford counties all recorded a high level of buyer demand. It's Friday, December 10th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert, with this week's Maryland Market Minute. Baltimore City had the softest demand, with the index in the steady category. Demand was in the moderate category elsewhere in the Baltimore metro area, the Maryland Eastern Shore region, and the Del Mar coastal area. More than 1/3 of zip codes throughout the greater Baltimore area recorded a high level of buyer demand, virtually the same as the month before. Here's what's happened in the inventory over this past week. There are 608 properties listed in the coming soon status. 1,068 homes came to the market over the past week. This is up slightly. 658 went under contract, also up slightly. 1,638 are temporarily off the market. This is up as well. 1,042 moved to pending. This is up a little bit. And 1,428 settled. The highest priced home to sell this past week was on the Eastern Shore in Oxford. This waterfront farm manor on 110 acres sold for $14,500,000. If you're looking for some holiday things to do this month, check out my event calendar at www.kbartonrealtor.com. That's your market snapshot for Friday, December 10th, 2021. Thank you so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next week. Take care.